lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Have you ever heard of the art of complaining? It's so dumb, because I hate it when people say stuff like, there is nothing to wear. That's me, I'm people. Or, there is nothing to do. Or, there is nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. Wait a minute. What if we try to make nothing to eat? I don't know, Danny. It sounds like you're trying to find an excuse to be lazy and do nothing again. I call this the art of almost trying. Listen, maybe. But this time it's a little different, okay? Because I want to try to make food that I can't see, but that I can actually eat. I'm not saying that everything is possible, but if someone somewhere successfully turned this into this, we are clearly not dreaming big enough. Clearly. And talking about clear, this is a recipe for a glass potato chips. Think about potato chips, but transparent. Now hear me out. This recipe is so sneaky. Oh my god. If this recipe could talk, it would have been something like, Hey, you wanna try out transparent potato chips? Of course I do. Oh no, that's fantastic. We finally found someone dumb enough, interested enough that would like to try it out. All you need to do is follow 375 million steps and spend 3 days of your life praying that nothing goes wrong. How does it sound to you? It's not worth it. Oh my god, stop saying what I'm thinking. It's kind of getting embarrassing. Nice. First, I'm taking my potatoes and I will need to slit them. This is the first step. It's actually the second step. The first one is washing them. I just skipped it. I skipped recording it, but I definitely did. About 1 centimeter. The recipe didn't say anything about peeling them. I'm not doing any extra work. This recipe already has like 5 million steps to follow. Woohoo! Woohoo! Now we're transferring them into a bowl. I'm gonna cover them with a little bit of olive oil. The success hides in small details like this. Yep. Why can't wink? That was the saddest wink ever. This is me winking. And some salt. They don't really say how much. Now shake what your mama gave you. The potatoes, Danny. Your mom gave you those. Oh no! Oh, that's bad. Oopsie. They're ready. So far, I'm feeling super confident in what I'm doing, okay? I've baked potatoes before. I know how to do that. Everything is going amazing so far. What is that? What is what? Are those your expectations rising up? Yeah. I would suggest you lower them. No, lower them. Lower them. Wow, Danny, calm down your potatoes. This is my first time I'm threatening someone with a potato. Yeah, okay. Pew pew. Pew. Lower your expectations, Danny, because if this potato represents the possibilities of things going well today, this potato signifies the likelihood of things going wrong. That's not a potato, Danny, that's a Godzilla-tato. Oh, potato. Something is about to Oscar. Anyways, while the potatoes are baking, you need to take a cup of water. Oh. Danny. My brother doesn't like that sound. Oh, you look so punchable right now. Oh my god, I really need to go pee now. Same. Now I have my water boiling, okay? We're making it bubble. Meanwhile, my lovely potatoes have come out of the oven looking like me at like 93. They're so wrinkly and crusty. Well, I meant golden and maybe a little salty, but okay. Now transfer those bad boys into a clear container and pour that almost boiling water all over them. We're gonna burn them a little, but that's the whole point, okay? This is what we wanna do, burn them. And let me tell you guys, everything is going suspiciously well so far. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't want to think about it too much. I just need to make sure that there is no potato peeking. I want all the potatoes inside the water because I want to be able to put the lid on. Okay, potato, you're not fitting, my friend. You're very... I I stabbed it with my brush. My makeup brush will never be the same after this. Yeah, maybe using a makeup brush was not a good idea. It's not my fault, it was too weak for the job. Yeah, cooking is not for the weak. It's for the weekend.
I don't mind dad jokes.
Okay, Danny. Now what? 2 hours. 2 hours. Yes, you will need to let those potatoes rest in the almost boiling water for 2 hours. What I'm supposed to do for 2 hours? Hey Siri! Hey Siri! Hey Siri! 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 Hey Siri! 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 Hey Siri! Siri! Talk to me, Siri! Come on, talk to me! Siri! Siri, this is the last time I'm asking you politely. Set timer 2 hours.
2 hours, counting down.
Why make it so difficult? 2 hours later. Potato, potato. Oh my god. Oh my god, this smells disgusting. It smells like warm dirt. Not like warm dirt, but like warm dirt. Okay, Denny, what we're doing next? Get those potatoes out of the water. They're soggy enough now. Okay, now we're left with this. Ew. Dirty potato water. Yummy. And I know some of you guys will be like, Denny, did you wash those potatoes? Of course I did. Of course I washed them. Here's a footage of me washing them. Okay. Looks legit to me. No, but seriously, I washed them. I'm just kidding. I don't like dirty potatoes or toes. Ugh. But this water kind of looks like someone washed their dirty toes in it. But if you really washed the potatoes, why does it still smell like dirt? Do I look like a potato expert to you? There is a difference between being an expert eating potatoes and an expert cooking potatoes. I'm the first kind of expert. Oh wow, that was a good point. It's time for a bathroom break number 2. This dirty potato water is kind of a big deal in our recipe. It has a few things swimming in it, floating in there, just living their life. It's time to put it in the fridge now and wish it good night. No midnight snacking for me tonight. I will not be reaching for this one. Day number 2. Hi, it's the next day. Our dirty potato water, I should stop calling it like that. It's looking the same as yesterday, so I firmly believe this step was completely unnecessary. So you're telling me this will turn transparent? Yes. Okay. If someone told me 20 hours from now you'll be eating this 20 hours, and there is no way I'm eating this. There is a yes way, but I'm getting a little ahead of myself. This is a potato starch. Basically, this is what brings everything together. It will make our dirty potato water turn into a dirty potato gel. This is getting worse. The recipe said that it's best to have one of those squeeze bottles to squeeze out the gel into a long oval shapes, like a potato chips, you know? But I was like, nah, I'm gonna do it my way. Spoon. My way of doing it is using a spoon. I like the word spoon. It kind of sounds like it can be a bad word, like a curse word. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Oh, spoon. I saw that guy yesterday on the street. He was driving like a spoon. What the spoon is going on? I don't give a flying spoon about him anymore. I'm in deep spoon right now. I had enough of this spoon. This was a very spontaneous thought that I have. I'm getting a little off track. Let's go back to the recipe. Listen, the spoon is working just fine, you know. I'm able to shape them however I want, but here is where it gets tricky. It's not as simple as it looks, okay? Because I need to make sure that I don't make those shapes too thin or too thick. I don't know what's too thin and what's too thick. Talk to me in centimeters, millimeters. I don't know. I don't know. Because if I make them too thin, they will break. If I make them too thick, they won't bake. So, I'm just trying different shapes, different thicknesses, and this is my face when I feel confident in what I'm doing. Yeah. I will refer to this part of the video as the spoon incident. In a heartbreaking turn of events, 3 teaspoons met with a tragic end during the course of their duties. Reports from the kitchen scene indicate that 2 of the teaspoons performed an unexpected dive into the abyss of a substance locally known as dirty potato gel. Details are unclear, but early reports suggest that they slipped while I was not looking. The 3rd teaspoon suffered a fatal accident en route to the emergency sink. Recovery efforts were unsuccessful. Rest in peace, teaspoons. You were the best teaspoons I once found at IKEA. Okay, but this is the most critical moment, baking them. I got the shapes. So far, everything is going amazing. Amazing. If I burn this, I'm gonna be furious like I've never been before. Now, these need to be baked at 60 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 hours. I know you have questions. Let's answer a few of them. Did I read the whole recipe before I started cooking? No, I lost focus after reading the ingredients, okay? I never made it to the end of the recipe fully unprepared. That's how I come. Do I think that this recipe is too advanced for me? Maybe. I think I bit a little more than I could chew. Oh, my dear children, may the potato gods be with you and the oven angels protect you. 8 hours. What can I do in 8 hours? Literally anything. That's a full work day, okay? 9 to 5. I can get a good amount of sleep in 8 hours. That came out too real. I can watch a full season of Stranger Things in 8 hours. I can fly from Greece, where I am right now, to India in 8 hours. By the way, talking about India, guys, I was 2 years old when I found out how is potato in Hindi. Hello? Hi, Danny. No, I'm not greeting you. That's a potato in Hindi. Hello? 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 Oh, I can't hear you. Your voice is all mashed up. Mashed potatoes. Yeah, I like mashed potatoes. Oh my god, same. I love mashed potatoes. We have so much in common. We should definitely be best friends. Dude, this technology is a potato. Hello? They hung up. Hello? My neighbor's dog wants to be a part of this video, I guess. But this video can only fit 1 dog, and that dog is Oscar. Okay, listen, the clock is tickling. I still have 8 hours. There are so many things that I can do in 8 hours, but still, I choose to be at home with Oscar, following a weird recipe I found online. Look at this cute face. This cute little thing. It has me in a complete chokehold. He has 1 job. Oscar has 1 job. To look cute. And he's excellent at it. Like 10 out of 10, 5 stars. He's the best. 8 hours later. Well, it was more like 4 hours. Like, I think the one who wrote the recipe was trying to sabotage me. Because the chips were done, they were dry and ready at the 4-hour mark. I'm coming in mad, but I'm actually super happy. If I look like a mad scientist, that's because I probably feel like one, okay? But I have great news. The chips have been baked successfully. Woohoo! I was so gentle with them. I was treating them like a newborn, okay? Until I realized these are some tough pieces. Those are tough. I could squish them and squeeze them and even drop them on the floor. They were fine. Well, this particular one is not fine anymore, but you get what I'm trying to say. Wow! You thought that we were done? Oh, you're so cute. So cute. I think that we've done way too many unnecessary steps. I don't know if you're even following at this point. I'm trying to explain. I'm trying to guide you through the steps, but I'm lost myself. Anyways, now I need to fry them. Hey Siri,
Hello there.
schedule a crying session in 1 hour.
I'm not sure I understand.
Same. Now here's the thing. I need to fry them, but not exactly fry them. There is a catch, because if the oil is just a little too hot than it should be, boom, they instantly burn and they turn into this weird popcorn. The oil has to be the perfect temperature. What is the perfect temperature, you ask? I don't know. It's mentioned nowhere. I had to use my humble cooking skills, my humble cooking experience to figure it out. My cooking skills, which are almost non-existent. It was a trial and error, and after approximately 1,000 tries, I figured it out. I had to find that sweet spot. Finding a sweet spot for me is dangerous because I have a massive sweet tooth. If I find that sweet spot, I'm gonna eat it. But anyways, I need to figure out what is the perfect temperature where the chips is cooking in the oil, but it's not frying in it. I had to leave them in the oil for like 10 to 15 minutes until they turn light brown. Ah, yeah, look at that. Listen to this. This, my friends, is the sound of success. I did it! I successfully cooked them! I spent 3 days trying to make this. I'll be sending this video to anyone daring to tell me I can't cook. You'll be hearing from my lawyer for those false accusations. Wow. Me and my greasy stove, we just want to send one last message to our haters. Mwah. Lastly, I need to salt them, and I'm doing it like the absolute winner that I am. Okay, but genuine question, why are they making the kitchen counters almost at a knee level? Like, why are they so low? I'm slowly starting to slide into my senior years. My lower back is a mess. Look, you can't even see them. Ah. It's invisible. Mission successful, baby. Yeah. It's completely see-through. You can see my teeth. You can see my eye. Wow. It tastes like nothing. It's just salty from the salt. I'm gonna give this recipe probably like an 8 out of 10. They just taste salty. There is nothing like special about the way that they taste, but there is definitely something very unique in the way that they look. Will I try to make it again? Probably not. There is no potato in there. I can't feel the potato. I think that it's a fun recipe, but honestly, some of the steps were completely unnecessary. Like, we could just skip them. Wow. Do I have potato chips on my teeth? Even if I did, you wouldn't be able to see it. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, I think you might also like watching this one. Here I tried 10 unusual beauty products, and here I was testing some weird TikTok hacks. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!